Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to move a text file to another folder using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're organizing work documents, personal notes, or anything in between, keeping your files tidy is essential, and the Dropbox app makes it really easy to manage your files on the go. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. When the app loads, you'll find yourself right on the home screen with several options at the bottom of the interface. To get started, tap the Files tab. This tab shows all the files and folders you've stored in your Dropbox account, making it simple to find exactly what you need. Once you're in the Files tab, scroll through and find the text file you want to move. When you locate it, look to the right side of the file name and you'll see 3 small dots. This is the options menu for that particular file. Tap those dots to open up more actions. From the menu that appears, tap Move. This action allows you to select a new folder where the file will be relocated. You'll now see a list of your folders. Navigate through your folders and choose the destination where you want your text file to go. Just tap on the folder to select it. After you've picked the right folder, you'll notice a Move button. Tap on that to confirm your choice. The app will quickly process the move, and your text file will now be neatly organized in the folder you selected. And that's it. Moving files in the Dropbox mobile app is straightforward and handy, especially when you're managing lots of documents or working remotely. Keeping your files organized helps you find what you need faster and keeps your digital workspace clutter-free. Now that you know how to move a text file using the Dropbox app on your phone, you can stay organized wherever you are, anytime you need to. Thanks for watching.